Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about UAE scholarships for session 2026, fully funded scholarships from Khalifa University. Some scholarships might be partially funded, and these are open to international students for undergraduate, masters, and PhD studies. We'll show the full process for this. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. All the scholarship related links are published in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links for all the scholarships are in the respective descriptions. Also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see all the links are published there. And on Instagram post description, you can see link is also given there. You can directly message our team and ask for the link on Instagram as well. Meanwhile, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or kashmirlook.com. You can click on any of them and it will directly redirect to our website fullscholarships.net, where you can check out any of the scholarships that you're applying for. This scholarship will be closing on March 2nd, 2026, and it's open to all the undergraduate, masters, and PhD type admissions and funding for them. So host country is UAE in the Middle East, and Khalifa University is the host university. Degree level you can apply is undergraduate, a master's, and PhD. Financial funded, it is fully funded some of the courses, and for some courses there might be partial funding. And deadline for this opportunity to close is March 2nd, 2026. So before that you have to complete the application. Full tuition fee waiver up to 100% of coverage of tuition fee will be given. Monthly stipend to cover your living expenses. Accommodation from the university and medical insurance will be given. Then travel support for visa and travel from to and home country back. Then research opportunities will be also given, so that you will be covering the international conferences and funding will be provided for that. Fields of study that you can wish to apply, starting from College of Engineering to Physical Sciences and Medicine, Health Science, Computing, and Mathematics. For undergraduate applicants, you can see applicants must have completed high school. For masters, you should hold a bachelor's degree, and for doctoral, you should have a bachelor's and master's degree with CGPA 3.25. Required documents for bachelor's are high school transcripts. For master's, bachelor's degree, and for PhD, bachelor's, master's, and high school. Official transcripts are required for every step. Proficiency certificate and GRE if you have, only for PhD students. Then CV, SOP, and research statement, and 2 reference letters, passport copy, and photograph. How to apply? You have to simply create an account on the university website, select a program, complete the form, submit the details, and take the scholarship application as well inside the same form. Simply submit documents and upload and submit the application. That's it. That you have to complete within the March 2nd. So we'll start the application simply here at the end. You can see click here to apply. Click on the button here, and once you click on that, it will directly take you to the postgraduate scholarships page, where you can check out the details and benefits of the scholarship. You have doubt regarding any scholarship mentioned on this website here, you can directly mail pgadmissions@ku.ac.ae. And now, in order to get scholarship, you should apply for the admissions. So on the top menu you can see admissions, and there you can see undergraduate, postgraduate, and scholarships. So for admissions to undergraduate or postgraduate like masters and PhD, you can click on this. For undergraduate, like if you are just completing high school, you can apply for the UG courses through this. So for example, we'll click on the UG admissions here. So click on this, and once you click on that, it will take you to the admissions website here. You can see all details, and you can see start your application button here. Application will close on 2nd of March 2026. Before that, you have to apply. You can see catalog for undergraduate degree, catalog for that. So we'll start the application, and you can see some activity here as well. And what happens next, you can check out the date so that you can schedule your details regarding that. So every section is given here. So on the top right, you can see start your application here. Click on this button here. Now once you click on that, it will take you to the login page. I already have logged in, and simply for the first time users, you will have to click on this start new application here. Click on this and click on create application. Now you can see this is an undergraduate system. Same is for the graduates, just you have to change the program there. So first is the application guidelines. Click on continue, as we are agreeing to the application. So now your personal information like your first name, middle name, last name, then full name, select your gender and select your marital status, then passport type and passport number, Then nationality as per passport and date of birth. So here you can see you have to mention date of birth as per the passport. Place of issue of the passport, you can mention that here, and passport issue date you have to mention that here. So we'll just check that. And then passport expiry date, one by one you have to mention all the details here. Then country of birth, mention that here. Mother's information, so which country she is born, so you have to mention that here. After that, are you a dependent of any KU employee? So we are not. Housing, do you require house dormitory in the university? So you have to mention yes. Do you have any health medical condition? Mention yes and no accordingly if you have. Do you have the people of determination special needs card? So we don't have. Click on save and continue. And once you click on that, now next section is contact information, where you have your email, primary mobile number, and his residence number. So you have to mention your dates, codes here. So after that, select the country of residence, street address, and select the region here. So whatever is your region, you can mention that, postal code, and click on continue. After that, you have your guardian information. You can add your parents information here, and the permanent address of the parents, so mention that here. Street, city, region, this must be correct, and street address if you wish to submit in Arabic as well. Then click on continue. After that, school information, have you graduated from high school? So I'll mention yes. Have you enrolled in, or were you enrolled in university? So we are not. Post high school information here, so mention all the details that are asked here. So there's a minimum requirement of words, so I'll just copy this some of the words here, but you should answer all the questions as per they are asked here. Now school and university information you have, so we'll mention school, high school, and school name, then country, mention that, city, then select the region, and graduation year, curriculum, so you have to mention that whatever it was, and you can mention that here. Final term, overall, so you can mention that, and overall maximum. Then click on save. You can see done. How did you heard about this program? Or any additional information you will wish to submit, you can mention innovation or any other, or you can mention others. After that, you can upload additional documents regarding this, but we'll continue here. School grades, grade, this is the grade 10 exams final, so how was your overall grades? So you can mention that here. So one by one you can add the subjects and their scores. So we'll just mention our here. I'm just choosing the mathematics here, you can see, and test date you can mention that here, and score. You can add other subjects, and then final exam grades for 11 and 12. After that, we'll continue. You can add these two school levels as well. Then program preference of the first, I'll go with the civil engineering or computer science, whatever you wish. You can mention that. Second choice, you can mention that here. And third choice. Have you previously been admitted to KU? So we are not invited to KU admission test. Which slots you would prefer? So mention that here. Then click on continue. After that, documents upload. First you have to upload a passport here. So one by one you have to mention that here. So let's quickly check out that. And then passport size photograph with a white background. Then academic information, then high school certificate, final. So one by one you have to mention here. and 11, 12 you can mention the high schools here. After that, other tests that you have, IELTS, TOEFL, if any one of these, you can upload them and else click on continue. So once these documents are done, you have to acknowledgement, place your signature here, then click on continue and confirm. Then you can see these grades have to be submitted for all the subjects one by one, and then upload these documents. So nationality is missing here in the first, personal. So as per the passport, you have to mention that here, and then we'll go to review. There you can see, then UAE resident visa status, click on that. One by one you have to check that. Are you, so we don't hold, click on review again. So you can see now, provide your guardian legal information, then grades to these, and preference, program preference. So if you're not admitted to first choice, would you be considered second choice? So yes, we will consider. Not admitted to third, so yes, then click on continue. So again, I'll go to review, and you can see one by one you have to clear all these here. So once you complete this review, you can click on submit, and you can see currently it's showing in progress. And once you complete the application, you submit it, it will be showing submitted here, and the date will be there, and you will get the application number. So simple application is there, and by submitting application it will be reviewed, and this is the registration process. You'll receive a pin to log in for the first time, and once your application is submitted, you'll be asked later on regarding the scholarships. If the offer letter is sent, it will be mentioning scholarship amount as well. If in review, they'll be asking you some details regarding scholarship, so you have to fill that information separately through the email only. Rest, you have to wait for the results for the application. That's the simple process they have set up here, and we hope you enjoyed the session. In case you have any confusions, ask us in the comment section below, and visit our website fullscholarships.net. Like and share this video, and follow us on Instagram page as well. Do check out our website fullscholarships.net. All scholarships are published here. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.